Okay, so this is the health care management system. This system has three users. We have the admin, the doctor, and the patient. This video, we're going to focus on the admin and the doctor roles because the patient is still under development. So I was just looking at an administrator. Yeah, the password is 1234. I created it in my back end. And I'll add the department. An admin can actually do a lot of things. An admin can add departments, edit department, update department, delete departments, add patients, delete patients, update patient information, and add a doctor, delete a doctor, update a doctor's information. So this is we're on the adding department, and we save. And each department has a unique ID. And we use this ID when we're adding a doctor. The doctors belong to a particular department, so we just add a doctor. You see, when we put the department ID, it verifies from the database that department ID is valid, and we continue. So we save. So when we save now, we're going to, that's the doctor's unique ID that has been generated. So we add a patient. The patient who has come for consultation. Yeah, we'll just take all these details about the patient. So we save. When we save a patient, that's the patient's ID. Each patient has a unique ID that's going to be used each time the patient comes for consultation. So we're just looking as a doctor. And so a doctor can see patients, search for patients, and see patient information. A doctor can add prescriptions, add medical tests. So we'll start by adding prescription. So when the patient comes, a doctor takes and add. You see that when you give the patient ID, it verifies that the patient's name, and the doctor puts his ID, and you see the doctor ID is verified. Dr. Abia, and he gives diagnosis for a particular patient. Then in the hospital, many doctors can work on this, can prescribe for a single patient. So we always do this on the prescription. So we know exactly which doctor prescribe which medication for which patient on which day. So we'll save the prescriptions. That's the prescription ID. So if you want to see these prescriptions, if you come to prescription and you can just come and search, use a patient's ID, and you're going to see the record of all the patient's prescriptions. So here is just one, but you can see many, and you can download the CSV file. And that is it for our application. So we have actually made sure that this application is not vulnerable to cross-site scripting attacks. We have used implemented CRF tokens. We have also made sure that it is not vulnerable to SQL injection attacks. We use parameterized queries. We make sure we validated all our inputs, and That is all. So thank you.